everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my current nail care routine for 2026. In this video, I'm going to share all the current products that I am using, how I use them, so on and so forth. And I'm going to start out with bare nails. The nail polish remover I use to take my polish off is the Equate Advanced Nail Polish Remover for natural nails. Highly recommend. And yes, they are long. Some of them are broke. Yes, they are stained. I'm showing the nail growth there that they have been growing out. They are stained from a lime green metallic polish from Clean Color. I'm sharing all the breaks that I have and that I have them fixed with nail glue right now. This is the time where I would clip my nails if I was going to, but I did just upload a new updated nail care routine, so I'm going to link that in the description box and in the cards, so definitely check that out. File my nails. So this is stuff that I won't be showing in this video, but this is the steps and process I would take if I was going to do this all together. And then I would buff them out, and I would also shine my nails, and I also would do cuticle removal. If I was going to fix any breaks, now would be the time to do that as well. The first product I'm going to be using today is the Ioni 2-in-1 Nail Glow Nail Care Coconut Extract Keratin Nail Product. I've been using this for a little while. I really have enjoyed it. I like to apply that at the cuticle to the tip of my nails, and I cap the free edge on every nail every single coat of polish I apply. So this is just a nail care item. It helps protect nails, it helps with nail growth. There are multiple things and claims that this particular polish has. And I just apply that, capping the free edge, allow that plenty of time to dry, and we'll move on to the next polish. Really enjoy using the Sally Hansen Complete Care 7-in-1 nail treatment. This also is another nail treatment type product. Great product to apply by itself and allow it to do its thing. The Sally Hansen Complete Care 7-in-1 nail treatment is a multi-purpose formula. It serves 7 different nail care functions in a single bottle. 7 benefits in one bottle. It's a base coat, a top coat, growth, strengthener, ridge filler, brightener, and moisturizer. Also, it has key ingredients of avocado oil, sea salt, pomegranate extract, and calcium. You can apply this product directly to your bare clean nails as a treatment or a base coat, or you can apply this as a top coat. I have really enjoyed this Complete Care over the years. Now, I like to use the LA Colors Nail Treatment 2-in-1 base and top coat. This is no good as a top coat. I do not recommend it for a top coat, but highly recommend it for a base coat. The reason you would want to use a base coat, it's supposed to act as a foundation for your manicure. It creates a protective barrier between your natural nail and the polish. It's supposed to prevent staining, but I don't find that that is always true. It helps improve polish adhesion, so your color will last longer without chipping, and it creates a smooth surface for even application. Also add a layer of protection to the nails, and it can also act as a shield nails from daily wear, tear, and give a natural glossy shine. And although a base coat is clear and shiny and glossy, there is a difference between a base coat and a top coat. A base coat is designed for adhesion and protection under the polish, while a top coat is formulated to be a hard, glossy, scratch resistant, and seal in base color. Once I have all the nail care and base coat down, I'm ready to move on to my base color. Today I'm using the LA Colors Color Craze Nail Polish in number 189 in Spellbound. This is a beautiful green with this golden shimmer running throughout. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. I love all the green nail polishes, and I'm going to apply 3 thin coats of this polish. As you can tell, it is pretty sheer. Once again, starting at the cuticle, taking it all the way up to the tip of the nail, and capping the free edge. Thin layers also dry a lot quicker than the thicker layers. I find that thin layers build up just as good, even if I have to do 3 to 4 coats of a nail polish to get it opaque. This one looked good in 2 coats, but I could still see my visible nail line, so I will do 3 coats, but I did show 2 coats on camera. But I wanted to do nail art on top of this, so I definitely wanted it to be opaque. And LA Colors has some very beautiful nail polishes. So coat number 2, as you can tell, once it starts going on, you can see it's going to build up really nicely. This polish dries fairly quickly as well. It's so stunning, so pretty. And I will clean up the cuticle area, especially if I get some pooling of the polish around the cuticle area. I always go back in and try to get that up right away. Here's what 3 coats of the LA Colors Spellbound nail polish looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm using the LA Colors Nail Treatment Quick Gloss Fast Dry Top Coat. Here I'm new to this product, so I wanted to share some thoughts. First impressions, it's really thin. I prefer my top coat to be thick and quick drying, but I like a plumping top coat. This is definitely not any of those. I find myself, even though this is quick drying, it does give me a glossy finish. Now using this, I apply 2 coats to give myself extra protection and sealant on the polish and the free edge because it is such a thin formula. I do like that it dries quickly, but the thin formula, it's just too thin. Like, it doesn't look as good as a plumping top coat, and then it always makes all of the polishes bleed, and I cannot stand that. So I'm going to finish it, but I will not repurchase it. And here I'm just taking some acetone on a brush and cleaning up the cuticle area. And once I have that, this polish is so stunning. And I can't wait for my nails to be this long again, y'all. I had to cut them. I had too many breaks. And for cuticle oils, today I'm using the Sally Hansen Cuticle Rehab Oil Balm. Amazing. Love this stuff. Done a full review on it. It's super easy to use, convenient. The lid snaps on so you could carry it in your purse. It smells lightly of roses. It absorbs very quickly, and it's very, very moisturizing. So it works great. Fantastic. There are lots of perks to using a cuticle oil. It can help stimulate nail growth by applying the cuticle oil and rubbing it in on the skin. Will promote nail growth. It helps protect your manicure and helps it last longer. It helps your nails be more healthy, like helps with splitting and breaks and peeling, just nail issues in general. Get in the habit of using cuticle oil daily. Tons of benefits to cuticle oil. I've been using the Crystal Waters Peach Blueberry Scented Hand Cream. What cute packaging does this have? It's so adorable. I did get this at the Dollar Tree. The lotion itself smells amazing, but it is a bit on the thin side. So I use this, and I honestly cannot wait to use it up. I prefer a thicker hand cream. This is thin and watery. It's still moisturizing and nice, and it smells good, but it's just such a thin formula. That is all for my current nail care routine. I hope that you found the video helpful. Maybe you'll try some of these products out for yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional nail related content.